Welcome back to Whitt Acres. Today the barn lockdown ends. Come on, pup. I just brought up a round of 8 buckets because I know once the ladies come out of the barn, they're all going to want to get a bath. So I need to get some pools ready for them. I already got the doors open for the chickens and they're starting to wander out here. Hey ladies, is that you, Columbiana? You want to hop the fence? Hey Thelma. I got the heaters off right now. We have a high of 28 today. I'm hoping the sun does peek out, but it does not look like it's gonna. And it is supposed to drop back down into the single digits tonight. So I want to get the ladies out this afternoon, get them a bath, and then they're gonna be heading right back in. But at least they'll be all cleaned up. I also want to check on everybody, make sure they're still healthy coming through this cold snap. I do want to check on some of the roosters and the girls that have the bigger combs and wattles. If there's any signs of frostbite, I do want to get some Vaseline on them again and just keep it up and fresh until we get past this cold. Mostly everybody has small combs and wattles, but there are a few with some bigger ones. And we're also going to be tending to Jumboetta. I actually think she has bumblefoot, so we're going to be taking a look at that today as well. Healing does take time, but we want to keep helping her through this process. Pop. But I want to get these pools filled up. I want to get some hay on the hill. I actually just picked up a new load of hay today. I want to get everything ready and then we can open up the door and let Mumbles and the ducks out. Pop. All right, I think we're ready. I think they are too. Come on, pup, I'm gonna block off this gate so nobody goes through. We can have Dabble's ducks, or I guess I can call them Ron's ducks now, over here in their pen. They have a pole and hay, and then we'll keep everybody else over here. I put down 2 poles, hay here, hay on the hill, so hopefully everybody's gonna be happy. I'm not gonna put feed out though. I'm gonna leave that in the barn. The starlings have been watching me, and if I put feed out, they'll be here in a second. Come on, pup. We're gonna go ahead and open up the door, officially ending barn lockdown, and then we can tend to Jumboetta. Come on, ladies. If you want to. There he is. I'll make sure everybody gets out before I open Dabble's door. Mumbles! You're back, girl. Back at it. Come on out, April. Pup. We're gonna open Dabble's door, then we can go inside and get Ron's gate open. He's been waiting. The door might have scared him a little bit moving. He'll figure it out. Come on, Dabbles. There he is. I see them legs. Get them bird legs out here, bud. Come on. Come on, Dabbles. Hey, bud. Be nice, bud. pup, let's get Ron. Once we get Ron and his ducks out, we can get all the hay put away. We're almost at 30. Coming in, Ron. How you doing, bud? You want to come out and play for a little bit? Jumboetta, you are still on light duty, girl. So the swelling has gone down on Jumboetta's leg a little bit. Now I can definitely see some bumblefoot in there. So we're going to address that today. But first, come on, Ron. All right, buddy, bring your ladies out. You stay there, girl. I'll be back for you. Good, ladies. Good. No. I guess I'll move this away from the door. This is their feed. Oh, it's frozen. Pup. Oh, good ducks. Right to your area. Easy, Dabbles. Don't be messing with my girl. You're a big bird, we know. It's okay, Mom Bowls. You're a big bird too. Alright, we'll let everybody play in the pools, pup. We got some vet work to do. Actually, before anybody tries to come back into the stalls, I need to get all these onto the hay rack in the back. So I'm gonna get these put away first. Oh no, they're already trying to come back in. What are you doing? I think Dabbles is chasing them. Oh, there, Dabbles is in there. What are you guys doing? What are you doing in here? You need to go swimming. I have work to do. Oh, you birds. What's going on? Oh, they all ran back out. I can get some work done. Get some fresh hay down in here. Hold on, you ducks. Alright, pup, we got all the hay taken care of. I just stacked a few extra bales into Mumble's stall here. They enjoy having some corners and cubbies to go into. I shouldn't need the heat lamps anymore. And I got fresh bedding down here for Dabbles and his ducks. I get these strings out of here. And I got my hay rack wall built back up, so that's going to help block a lot of the wind on that wall side too. Now I'm going to run back down to the house, grab a few supplies and some more water so I can give Jumbo a bath, and then we can start tending to her foot. How's that sound, girl? I know, you want to get back out there with Mumbles and your girls. When you're ready, girl. Pup. See how everybody's getting along. Dabbles. Mumbles, how you doing, girl? Where's Ron? Oh, there he is. You being nice? Ron's got Zoe and Chloe with him. Go into your pen, bud. Good. No fighting out here. Mumbles, you happy, girl? Get a bath, and then we'll get everybody sorted back into their stalls for later. It's going back down into the single digits tonight, so they're not going to be out here for long. But it seems good so far. Huh, Pop? I do have the door open here on the Love Shack if the ladies want to wander out. I threw some corn there, but they have feed and water inside, so they might not want to. Huh, ladies? Too windy? All right, we also have Bert's door open right now, just so they have some fresh air flowing in. No one wants to come outside, though. Can't blame them, Pup. I gotta head down to the house, grab some more water and my med bag so we can take care of Jumboetta. Y'all behave now. Now, if you're wondering how I'm getting water up to the barn, I actually have to take the buckets down into the basement and fill them up with my laundry tub right now. Of course, it'd be nicer to have water up at the barn here, and we used to whenever my dad was raising up pigs. And he also had electric up here too at the time, which was really nice. We actually had an intercom at the barn down to the house. But over the years, those lines got broken, so we don't have water or electric at the barn anymore. But I do have plans to get water and electric back up to the barn here, because that'll make everything I'm doing up here with the animals so much easier. But to do that, I do have to dig a new trench, lay new pipe, and new wire. And before we start digging the trench, I'm trying to get all the materials together that we're gonna need. I wanna have the water pipe and the wire and all the connections for the faucets. So whenever we get the ditch dug, we can actually get everything laid, backfilled, seeded, and strawed, and ready to have grass growing in the spring. My thing is I don't want a messy yard all spring and summer, so I really wanna try and get that ditch dug here in the winter so that whenever spring comes and the grass starts to grow, everything can fill in nice and green. It's a process. Huh, Pup? Load up. Come on, Pup. I got my bag. And I got some buckets of warm water here. I already got Dabble's ducks and Dabble's separated out, so Mumbles can come in now. Come on, girl. You can come in, it's safe. Don't be chewing on ducks. Come in when you're ready, girl. We're just below 30 here. Huh, Pup? I got fresh water to everybody, I got feed in their bowls, and I got fresh hay down. Now we just have to take care of Jumboetta. Huh, girl? Now I loaded this little satchel up with some medical supplies I think I'm gonna need, and some Vaseline. But I'm gonna set up a warm bath here to get her started. Huh, Pup? You're gonna love it, girl. See, she's coming back in. Oh, don't hiss at me, boy. Huh, Pup? Jumboetta. We started her off with a warm bath to soothe her joints, and then I put her in a Benedine foot bath to clean her feet. Where you going, girl? You don't have to walk around. You trying to preen everything. After getting her feet cleaned, I put some silver lotion on there. I'm not going to wrap her feet because I don't want to restrict her at all. But I did order some duck booties off of Amazon, so I'll be able to use those once those come. And that'll help keep her feet clean and help keep the ointment in place. Huh, pup, we're almost done here, bud. And then just to help her out with the infection that she's fighting, I did put some oregano oil into her warm water. So she's going to go ahead and preen herself off, clean herself up a little bit, try and dry up before nightfall. Mumbles and her ladies are starting to settle into place as well. Sorry, Dabbles, you can't go over and sleep with them. Ron's doing really well with his 4 ducks over here in their pen. And I didn't want to wrap up Jumbo's feet because I don't want to restrict her from moving around. She's moving around really well right now. So I ordered some duck booties off Amazon. Once those come in a couple days, I'll be able to use those to help keep her feet clean. And hopefully that's going to expedite her healing process here. But that's okay. We'll take care of her in her little pen here until she's better. I am going to have to restrict her movement and keep her on light duty so she's not running up and down the hill whenever I have the door open. And Dabbles is going to have to stay separated as well. I do like to put him with the flock during the day so he can really get to know the flock and act a little bit better with them. But I don't have any desire to put Dabbles with Mumbles yet at night until he really starts to show that he's not going to pick on her. I want to make sure Mumbles is safe at night, and that's going to help her sleep and help me sleep. Huh, pup. Almost done, bud. Where are you going, girl? Yeah. Shake that booty on down. I got everybody dry hay layering down the bedding here last time they went out the door. And we're not going to be running the heat lamps tonight. I already took the generator back down to the house. I think we're past the coldest point. So Duke, tighten it up, bud. Everybody's got a cuddle. And you all stick together now, ducks. Alright, pup. We got to get everybody else fresh water again. Coming in, Bert. How you doing in here? I'm ready to close the door. How about you, bud? Oh, I'm closing the door. No, I'm closing it anyway. Any eggs? Oh, you are still laying. Good job. Anybody showing any signs of frostbite, bud? You got the big waddle, don't you? How you doing? What? What? Let me see it. Oh, you're looking good, buddy. You're looking strong. Red. Not seeing any signs on you, bud. You must be staying out of the wind next to your ladies, huh? They're keeping you warm. Love the teamwork, everybody. What are you two doing? Staying warm? You got water over there? Still warm from earlier? Nice and liquid? Good. Huh, pup? You can drink out of this bowl. Get a drink. Now you good? Alright. I'm shutting the door, Bert. I already have the Love Shack closed up, but we'll check in on them. Hey ladies, I'm gonna open up. You'll probably get a cold draft here. How's it going in here? What are we looking at? Hey Gina. Hey Bonnie. How's everybody doing? Good to hear. I'll shut the door. I can hear you. There you go. Alright, pup. Move it, move it. How's everybody doing in here? We all ready for bed? I'll be closing the door. Hey Pants, you're not sleeping over here, are you, girl? Go find another spot. Hey, Thelma. Tell her, Sammy. Need to get this door shut. It's getting cold. What about yours, ladies? Duchess, you inside, girl? I guess the starlings have been back. Get inside, Duchess. Huh, pup? Dirty. Who's eating? Oh, is it you? Columbiana, you hungry? Coming in, youngins. You keep laying eggs. You got 4 eggs in there. Thank you, ladies. Working on it. Duchess, are you in here? Where's Is this you, Duchess? You all cuddled up. You got some friends, girl. All right, I'm closing the door. Stuff this feed sack back in here for the draft. Night, Duchess. Hey, don't go out that door. Oh, Snowball, don't do it. There we go. Oh, just barely. Come on, pup. Nobody escaped, did they? Still no chance at water. Everybody make it up. Dot, you getting up there, Bobtail? Come on, Lucy, you good? All right, everybody set? You keeping little Row warm? Good, I want her in the middle. Good, get up there, Bobtail. How you gonna do it? Which way do you go? There you go, almost there. One more level. What was that? You just gonna sleep there, girl? Alright, where you going, Columbiana? Thelma, was that you making noise? No? Alright, Sammy, you're up, buddy. We're gonna get some Vaseline on that little comb of yours, bud. How's that sound? Sound good? Happy about that? Ooh, it's okay, bud. It's okay, you big fella. It's okay, big fella. Get you all fixed up here, bud. It's okay, I know it's weird. Don't want some guy playing with your comb. I know. I know. I hear ya. Not happy about it. But you're doing a good job, buddy. You're doing a good job. I know. Oh, whoa, don't get free now. Can't have you getting free. It's to protect you, bud. This is all to protect you. Huh, young Bert, you want to be next? I see you there. I know, it's weird. Whoa! Let's all stay together here, bud. Tighten it up. This is all part of having a big comb, bud. Big boy, big comb. Fix you all up. Fix you all up, bud. And Pants. Pants is right there next to you now, bud. You're even better set. There you go. That'll do. Oh, puppy, you all ready to go in, bud? All right. I do need to go down and split wood tonight. I'm hoping the splitter's gonna start even though it's this cold. But I gotta get a few logs split so we can get through the rest of this cold snap. Pup. So that's going to be all for this one. If you want to keep following along with everything here at Whitt Acres, make sure to subscribe down below. Hit that like button before you leave. And if you want to help support the channel even more, check out that join button. You can see me and Echo on the next one. Thanks for watching. Cool.